Hey, look! Grandpa seems really into his book.
Yeah, wonder what he's reading.
Let's ask him when he's done. Maybe it's something interesting.
Yes, if he doesn't mind.
Good evening, Grandpa. We saw you reading this book with the map of India. Would you like to share what you are reading?
Good evening, kids. This book is all about India's amazing heritage.
What is heritage, Grandpa?
Our country has a rich culture and tradition. It is renowned all over the world for its incredible art, architecture, paintings, festivals, etc. All these things collectively are called our heritage.
Wow! So heritage includes all these amazing things?
Yes, exactly. There are mainly two types of heritage: natural heritage and cultural heritage. Natural heritage includes things like mountains, forests, rivers, and wildlife that have been preserved over time. Cultural heritage, on the side, includes all the things people create, like monuments, art, music, dances, and even traditional clothes and foods. These are expressions of our beliefs, traditions, and ways of life.
That sounds so interesting. Can you tell us more about India's heritage?
Sure, kids. You must have heard that India is a diverse country. It has a rich diversity of languages as well. Hindi and English are the official languages, but we have 22 scheduled languages recognized by our constitution.
Oh, how are these languages different?
Each language has its own script. Most are written from left to right, but languages like Urdu, Kashmiri, and Sindhi are written from right to left.
What kind of literature is written in these languages?
We are a religious country. A lot of our literature is religious literature. It includes the Vedas, Puranas, Mahabharata, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, and Buddhist Tripitakas. We also have non-religious literature. It includes biographies, plays, stories, folk tales, and poems written by renowned authors.
Tell us about the monuments and architecture of India.
Monuments are like living history books. They include old buildings like palaces, forts, and temples, built by ancient rulers and important people. The architecture of these monuments showcases a rich blend of styles: Buddhist, Hindu, Jain, Mughal, British, and Rajput.
I see carvings of gods and goddesses on these temples. What do they signify?
Those carvings depict deities, animals, and flowers, representing different aspects of faith and culture. For example, in Buddhist architecture, symbols like the lotus and dharma wheel are prominent.
Can you explain some important monuments?
The Kailash temple at Ellora, the Sun temple at Konark, Meenakshi temple at Madurai, Khajuraho temples, and the Jain temples of Mount Abu are exquisite examples.
The Taj Mahal is also here. What makes it special?
The Taj Mahal is a masterpiece of Mughal architecture built by Emperor Shah Jahan. Its intricate marble work and symmetrical design reflect the Mughal style beautifully.
Many of these monuments have beautiful paintings hanging. Are paintings also a part of our heritage?
Aisha, paintings are also a part of our heritage. From early human cave paintings, Ajanta's exquisite Buddhist art, to Mughal miniature paintings depicting court life and epic tales, each style reflects our rich heritage. Rajput rulers also nurtured vibrant miniatures showcasing their valor and culture. These paintings, with their intricate details and vibrant colors, tell the story of our diverse and ancient traditions, enriching India's artistic legacy.
Grandpa, what about dances in our country? Do they have different styles too?
Ah, yes. India has a vibrant tradition of dance and music. These are categorized into two main types, folk and classical. Folk dances are performed by people to express joy during various occasions like harvest festivals, weddings, and other celebrations. For instance, Bhangra and Gidda from Punjab are energetic dances that celebrate the harvest, while Garba and Dandiya from Gujarat are performed during Navratri to worship goddess Durga.
And what about classical dances?
Classical dances originated as forms of worship and were later performed in the courts of kings. Each classical dance form has its own distinct style, costume, and jewelry. Bharatnatyam from Tamil Nadu is known for its intricate footwork and expressive movements, while Kathak from North India focuses on storytelling through dance.
Oh, I see Kathakali from Kerala here. What makes it unique?
Kathakali is known for its elaborate costumes, dramatic makeup, and facial expressions that convey stories from Hindu epics like the Ramayana and Mahabharata. It's one of the oldest classical dance forms in India.
That's so cool. So each dance form has its own stories and traditions.
Exactly. These dances are not just performances, but reflections of our cultural diversity and traditions, passed down through generations.
That's nice. Do we have different types of music too?
Yes, Aisha. The cultural diversity of India contributes to a wide range of music styles. There are two main styles of classical music in our country: Hindustani music and Carnatic music. In classical music, veena, sitar, sarod, flute, shehnai, tabla, and mridangam are some important musical instruments.
Grandpa, what about the dresses people wear in India?
Ah, yes. In India, men and women wear a variety of traditional dresses that reflect our rich cultural heritage.
What do women usually wear?
Women in India wear saris and salwar kameez, which are very common. The sari is draped in different styles across India, each reflecting its own cultural traditions. In Rajasthan, Haryana, and Madhya Pradesh, women often wear ghagra choli, especially during festivals and weddings.
What about men's clothing?
Men also have a variety of traditional attire. In rural areas, you might see men wearing kurta pajama, shirt, lungi, and kurta dhoti. In Kashmir, they wear a long woolen kurta called firan.
Do clothes have different designs and embroidery?
Yes, the designs and embroidery are exquisite. Chikankari, Zardosi, Kashida, and Kantha are some traditional embroideries you'll find in Indian clothing, each with its own intricate patterns and cultural significance.
Grandpa, what about the festivals we celebrate in India? Are there different types?
Oh yes, India is known for its vibrant festivals and fairs. We categorize them into national festivals, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. They commemorate important events in our country's history.
What about religious and harvest festivals?
We celebrate a variety of religious festivals like Dasera, Diwali, Durga Puja, Ganesh Chaturthi, Christmas, Eid ul Fitr, Eid ul Zuha, Buddha Purnima, Gurpurab, and Mahavir Jayanti. Each festival has its own customs and traditions. There is also some change of season festivals such as Basant Panchami and Holi welcome spring, Bihu in Assam, Baisakhi and Lohri in Punjab, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Nuakhai in Odisha, and Onam in Kerala are some examples of our harvest festivals.
It's amazing how many festivals we celebrate.
Yes, that's why we call India a land of festivals. Just like this, we have different kinds of food too.
That's something Rahul would love to know.
Yes, please tell me about different foods.
Yes, Rahul. We have different kinds of cuisine are popular in different states of India. Rajma chawal, chole bhature, samosa, naan, and tandoori chicken are quite favored in North India. In the southern states, dosa, idli, sambar, and rasam are enjoyed by the people. Rice and fish are the staple food in eastern part of India.
Grandpa, what about our arts and crafts?
Let me show you. Our heritage also includes a variety of artisanal crafts.
Wow, these decorations are beautiful. What are they called?
These are alpana, kolam, mandana, and rangoli. They are traditional decorations made on the entrances and walls of houses using flowers or powdered colors.
They look so intricate and colorful.
Indeed, these crafts are not just decorations, but a part of our cultural heritage, passed down through generations.
Grandpa, our heritage seems so rich and diverse.
Yes, our heritage tells the story of who we are as a people. By preserving it, we ensure that future generations can appreciate and celebrate our traditions just like we do today.
We should definitely take pride in our heritage and protect it for the future.
Absolutely, Aisha. Our heritage is a treasure that we must cherish and pass on. Now let me drop your children at your homes.